Hello everybody, I'm Seema Jhaveri. I've joined this Chatapakshik program. I'm really very happy with this program. It has really helped me a lot. I had this sweet tooth and I used to eat sweets a lot. So that craving has gone. Then I feel very energetic throughout the day. I've got the varicose vein problem also, and I used to take painkiller almost daily. Now I've stopped taking it totally. So it's very good. Then even I've lost weight, and I was pre-diabetic. Even that, it has helped me in that also. Plus I used to sleep quite late. So by doing this program now I sleep on time. So in the morning I always get up fresh, and I'm very energetic throughout the day, and I do my all morning yoga and all everything, and I'm always there with the class, whether I'm traveling or I'm in town. And I love this program, and I've committed to join with sir. Like I'll be always with this program.